Seat's really uncomfortable that was in it. I never liked the original seat. This is a pre-2015 model, so it doesn't have the captain's seat. So I'm trying to make up something semi-reclined that's super comfortable. I originally made this structure here, this one, as a reclining bench in my original setup. The recline works, but the rest of it's really uncomfortable, especially down the bottom. It's a pretty simple little piece of, it's made out of plywood, marine ply, and painted white. I've just chopped the top off because it was a bit too high, and I'll take it out and try it out, and if it's all good I'll come back and seal her up and paint her up. It's actually a neat little design. Bill helped me build it, my stepdad. It's got these brackets which go onto the rear cross brace, and to stop it slipping forward at the front we put this on. These two little stoppers fit into those holes there, and once it's in it doesn't move. It's quite good. It's not strapped down though, so it can lift off. So I went and got these cushions from an op shop, $3, which go there like that. And then I've got a lumbar support cushion, an old one which I already had for the car, and I'm going to double-sided tape on there. So I got this scrap heavy-duty plastic from just the workshop, it's throwaway stuff. Looks like it's nice and thick and waterproof, so I'm going to use that to wrap up the cushions. I'm going to cover them with this as a protective layer, which is a vinyl cover, which I also got from an op shop for about $3. So let's see how we go. Okay, I just tape the cushions together so they don't move around once they're wrapped up. Okay, so I've bound the cushion up in a load of plastic and tape. So now I'm going to put an outer vinyl wrap over it for protection, and then see how we go. The seat tucks in quite nicely and neatly for transport. There's a groove cut in there for the master sit in while it's travelling to stop it from moving around. I've also got the cushions sitting in the well, and I found that the seat is very quick and very simple to set up. It's just a very quick motion and it's ready to go. Here's the comfort seat all set up, ready to take it out for a test. Looking nice and plush and comfy, a bit of tape around it, but doesn't really matter. The backrest is stuck on with double-sided tape. I just have to paint up the top. If the test is successful, I'll go ahead and do that. Looks good. Can't wait to test it out. These little trimarans really don't like surf. Even small surf can make your life quite hard. So here's a good first test of the seat. Jumping in, trying to paddle out through the surf, getting a bit of wash coming over. The seat's feeling nice and comfortable. It's not moving and I'm paddling easily. Today I've got a 22-kilometre sail plan, so it'll be a good test to see how comfortable this seat is. Seat's proving super comfortable so far, even though I'm getting bashed around by fairly large waves. Bloody cold today, so I'm heavily rugged up, but underneath my waterproof, so I'm nice and warm. After quite a few hours out here, I'm still really comfortable. Love this seat, don't want to get out of it. Need to drop the mast to get under this bridge. I love how flexible these boats are. So I've raised the rudder, pulled out the Mirage drive, raised the keel, and this water's super shallow, but I'm having no problem getting through it and paddling under this bridge. When I first made the seat, it actually had a high back on it, but it interfered with the main sheet running off the sail. With this cut down back, it doesn't do that. That's a very successful test. About 4 hours at sea, pretty rough conditions, paddling out there, and the seat performed really well, perfectly comfortable, didn't dislodge. Yeah, quite happy with it. If you enjoy this kind of positive adventure content, please like, subscribe, and check out a few of these other adventures.